Just let you eat your crisps in peace. So, what do we have here and what are we doing?
29 BMW M2 competition. Going to be fitting a Remus secondary catback exhaust system.
For all the noise.
Yeah, it should be good.
So nice.
Should be good.
It's a lovely exhaust. Is Remus German, is it, or?
Austrian.
Austrian. And then give it a bit of a loose fit to adjust.
Yeah, that's kind of my idea.
It's not a particularly complicated system by the look of it, to be fair.
I just want to try and get as much of it together as possible.
So we can lift it in one go.
Yeah, just like lift it up in one hit. I can also then kind of offer it up and see roughly where I've got cut. Basically just got to chop them and sleeve them in.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, they're not bad to do.
You will see it without its tips today. That is at the owner's request, so you can get them ceramic coated. But they are lovely. They're more sort of reverberators than they are silencers, aren't they?
Yeah, they're quite... So, these will sit. I'll sit the other side of it like that. Yeah, so I've basically got to bolt them together, throw it up.
Offer it.
Yeah, throw it up and then just quick measure up.
See where we've got to go.
Yeah, I'm just going to unplug the valves quickly so I don't forget to do that.
Yeah.
So I don't want to drop the system and the wire at the
Oh,
valve,
yeah,
so I'll
got
do that quickly. And then, like I said, yeah, I'll offer it up, mark it up, cut it up.
Pop it in. Away we go.
Yeah.
Nice. And this system retains the stock valves as well, so he has got the option to quieten the noise.
It also retains the GPS between the downpipe and the secondary caps, which are there in the mid pipes.
Nice. So on these, I'm assuming obviously similar to the systems going on, only one of these tips is valved.
That's right, yeah. So, the inner passes through the box,
yep.
and the outer
straight out the tip.
Yep. Much, yeah. I mean, it does still pass through the box, but from what I can see, they just literally straight through.
Yeah.
Talking from personal experience of finding that out.
Yeah, I mean, not even looking at this, even stock, even with the closed, it's not really passing through a box there, is it? That's more, like I say, it's more of a reverberator. It's going to just rattle around the sound. Should sound decent, hopefully.
It should sound nice. Personally, I normally do, I like just downpipes on the S55s. There are companies doing equal length, which sounds really nice, but obviously they're quite restrictive. Or you get some companies as well, VR to name one of them, do a single 3.5-inch mid pipe. I know AA Active Waterworks do one as well.
Well, that sounds good.
Yeah, they sound good. I mean, they definitely make it sound deeper.
Yeah.
A lot of people say they sound less raspy. I wouldn't agree. They still sound raspy, it's just a deeper rasp. So I've just got to bolt that together.
It makes the most sense, doesn't it? Because it's got the hanger location to work from.
Yeah, cool.
Nice.
Recips all time.
Time for the dugger. Turn up the saw. The more I see this car, the more I do like the M2.
Oh, they're an awesome car.
I've always thought the M2. I love the M4, and I think if I was going to buy one, I'd buy the 4. But it would have to be a head-heart situation.
To be fair,
I don't think you'd be unhappy with either.
if I did it all over again,
Yeah.
I'd probably buy an M2.
Yeah. What? Not the comp?
Nope. Not the M4. I've got one, so you know, it'd be a bit silly to buy a car I didn't like. But a friend of mine's got an M2 pushing 550-ish horsepower. It's a non-competition N55 engine. To get them to that power, they're not that expensive. To be fair, M4s aren't hard to get like mid-60s out of. The most expensive single bit on them is the crank carb and turbos. But yeah, after being out in the M2, I've been around the Nürburgring in my car, and also my friend's M2 as well. But back at the stage 2 with maybe about 450-ish brake.
So still not slow.
Yeah, I went for a lap around the Nürburgring with him, and it's a fast car. They handle well. You can make them. I mean, yeah, he's a very experienced driver on the ring as well. And yeah, you know, you can really make the car, do some pretty crazy things. But yeah, I mean, like, if doing it all again, that's probably what I would do.
Simply from a financial point of view?
The thing is, I think personally, the M2, because obviously it's a smaller, lighter car, it doesn't need as much power. And I think value for money...
Would you not get a 4 that's not competition instead of a 2?
No.
No?
Quick look around and see. Right, okay.
We've still got some metal holding it on, haven't we?
Yeah. That's all right. I might need...
You'd probably be able to get your saw in now, though.
Yeah. Do you just want to hold this?
Do you believe in ghosts, Joseph?
I do.
Yeah.
Sort of, yeah. To a degree.
Surprised by that.
Also,
I didn't expect you would.
I'm quite a logical guy.
Yeah, that's why I didn't expect you would.
I've seen ghosts, that's why I believe in them.
Man's sticking to the drugs, you know. Yeah. Was Uncle Eddie, he left ectoplasm? Not cooperating.
A little bit not cooperating.
A little bit not cooperating this time.
It's just warm.
Oh, it's hot. For those watching, it's like
It's
30 degrees, yeah.
Yeah, the weather station on the dyno saying it's 29.9 in here, so give or
30
take,
degrees.
it's 30 degrees.
And that's accurate as well.
It is warm.
It is warm, it's
Very
not warm.
Very warm. Warmer than I like when I'm putting an exhaust system on.
Yeah, it's alright until you move, that's like, until you go outside and it's hot. The Americans are like,
Yeah.
what is your plan?
Equal crisps. My plan is I'm going to take the valves out of the stock system,
Yeah.
chuck them in there, and then probably pretty much put it in as it is.
Yeah.
Get it mounted, and then I can kind of jiggle it all around to make sure it's all sitting right.
Fitting
and then
nice,
tighten it all up.
tying it all up.
Because don't do what I've done before. You try and put it in bit by bit, and you tighten it up because you only end up going back and loosening it all off.
And then retightening.
And then retighten it all. So, yeah.
All of the
Fit
ridiculousness.
it all up loosely. Put the jack under it, which the camera is currently standing on.
It's a camera jack.
It's a camera jack.
It's a very
And then,
expensive
I'll
camera
jack it
jack.
up into position and tighten everything up.
Away we go.
Pretty much.
Nice.
DD, you wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happy meals for the road. My oldest like counting racks. Middle one she got it dirty. My youngest is just like a mama. My mama loves me and I love her, so when she wants something it's never. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. So don't try to.
Do you want to mount it first, then we'll push this in, yeah?
4 to 5 nights on the road. Counting days till I'm home.
Right, and then go up.
but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm on. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play all my kids and it's water me. I see new love for some motoring. I just bought socks and stocks. I feel on top to top. Shipping I pop like pop. Still young in my 20s, I celebrate. This one for the dads, let me dedicate. Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash and the dinner plate. I cannot be bought, it's no bargain rate. I got on my bank and my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watching demonstrate.
Too much more wrong with the season.
I came to win, I ain't gonna play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See the strap thing is still new to me.
Because I've just got to do what I'm doing quickly. Just give me 2 seconds. So I've got to try and...
Do you want me to flip it over so you've got more accuracy?
Nah, that's alright. I think I'll be able to do it with my hand. Yeah, you do it now. I'll be able to do it with my hand.
But a strong hand. You're gonna. Again, Americans are sat currently in 40 degrees Celsius heat going, what the f is wrong with these two? We're not used to it, people.
Yeah, we are not used to it, unfortunately.
We're not built for this climate.
Definitely not.
We like cooler weather and then we want to moan it's not hot enough.
To be fair, if it was around like 18, 20 all the time, I'd be going.
Too much. 12. It looks pretty good from the back.
Yeah, it looks good. I've literally just got to do these, pardon me, 2 nuts up on the mounts.
The right needs a bit of a twist.
Yeah, I'll do that in a sec.
Oh yeah, no, we might as well do it from middle back.
Trying to get these where I want them, tighten them up. And then, yeah, just sort of jiggle it all so it sits about right, and then we're good.
Wiggly jiggly. Are you happy with the position? So let it go, hold itself back off a little bit. Do it up more than it's twisted and into the side.
She ain't going nowhere. And then yeah, just got to line these 2 up, make sure I'm happy with where they sit. I mean,
Problem is there's only so much movement, isn't there?
yeah, I mean, these are going to be fine because if you pull this up, that's not
That's the
gonna be
problem,
fine.
this isn't.
This one's going to be fine.
There you go.
Yeah, this one's in. Watch me put it back. No, that is where it's going to sit.
The right hand side needs to pivot on its axis.
Down.
Yeah, see how on the right hand side
Yeah,
effectively the third tip's sitting high.
Yeah. I'll tighten this one up.
Yeah, that was nice.
We've got to account for the tips to go on, which
Yeah.
we aren't doing at a specific second in time.
Just not 100% sure.
So level looks better, but
Well, the thing is, if the level is still off, still that's way off.
wait a sec. This one's got to come down.
No, this has got to go up and this has got to come down. The whole thing needs to twist.
Well, that's not possible because they're linked. They're together. So oh no, wait.
No,
a sec.
what I mean is, effectively, imagine if you could twist it there.
Oh, it's fine.
But obviously it's happening up here.
So it's got to twist this one down, that one up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that ain't going anywhere.
Unless that one needs to actually come up to match it.
Maybe. That's too high.
Yep.
That's way too high.
Yeah.
So it's all got to come lower.
Mm-hmm. Okay, just wondering what the tips look like. It's looking pretty lovely, not gonna lie. Let me get out of your way.
Yeah, so this has got to come down.
Yeah.
A lot.
How much is a lot?
Well, you've now got it. Whoa, stay there. That's been pretty good, to be fair.
You're going to have to stick the other tips on, mate.
Yeah.
Because from what I can see here, it might just be my angle, but that right-hand side tip looks to me like it's sitting at more of an angle downwards. Well, I could be wrong. It's nice looking tips. Are they real carbon?
I would assume so.
Hold on. And being at 2 at level. Yeah, see that's, it was tilting down, there you go, just got age trying to solve that problem, it's on that. Why? Yeah, I would leave the tips on so we could reference. Yeah, that looks good, and obviously we need to do the same touch. So it was, what the problem was that. And I was like, it's definitely sitting lower. So.
Yeah, you have to pull this out further.
Uh-huh. We need to secure those end tips really, don't we, next?
Yeah, that's pretty much the plan.
Doesn't it? At the moment, the tip you're holding is sticking out more and it's higher.
Yeah, like I said, I'm looking at the gap between them.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat foot with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it.
Dream team fucking
Cause the beat bounce to the cap torn. Feel like I live it, fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Fuck how I live it into existence. I be ahead of myself with the bank account.
Touch my PP as well.
Well, I like that. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on the way. But everything I say turn into the real thing.